Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Muradul Islam. I am from Shirazganj. My family consists 6 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I try to solve the matter in a very natural way without going into a big deal. I always think positive in everything. If there is any problem with someone, I try to find my own problem first. I have completed Diploma Engineering in Electronics from Borgona Polytechnic Institute. I have completed SSC from Ullapura Merchant Pilot High School. I have completed 3-month Industrial and Automation training from Multipurpose Engineering and Industrial Automation. I have completed 6-month technical course in Electrical Electronics from Technical Training Center, Borgona. First of all, I am working as an electrician from Humaira Electric Works. I got a job at Walton Plaza as a sales executive, and currently I am working as a sub-assistant engineer service in Jaman Manufacturing Corporate Ltd. My responsibility here are product receiving, servicing, sending, circuit troubleshooting, product problem identify, Excel work and others technical works. Everyone has good and bad side. I am not exceptional. My good points are I can learn very fast. I do not compromise with injustice. Working to maintain a good relationship with everyone. The downside is I trusted people very quickly, which often leads to problem. The goals of my life is to move life forward by working with sincerely and devotion. That why we should never associate ourselves with injustice. I got an electrician BC license from Bangladesh Electricity License Board. The people around me, they laugh so much. It seems like a big achievement to me. Thanks for watching me.